how are you? In this lesson we are going to learn about finite, infinite and emptysets. Over last lessons we already talked about finite and infinite, but we are going to learn the definition and some examples of them in today's example. So on today's lesson we are going to revise lesson 2 and we are going to learn lesson 3. Okay, let's revise lesson 2. As we talk about, we said let R is equal to our assignment on this question, and we will learn about number of sets, the number of elements of sets, and we learn about them, and this was your assignment. And if you are right, you can have a tick on your exercise book or notebook, but if you are X, just have a correction with me. So as you see, let R is equal to curly bracket again 5 curly bracket closed, comma 8 curly bracket closed. This is the first curly bracket. These two are, we are going to write on them 1, and this is 2. As you see, on this situation we have 2 curly brackets, 1, 2. And when there is a rule about sets, if there are other curly brackets in the curly brackets, we are going to count them as 1. What if 5, 9 over here, 5, 9 over here, it is going to be number of R is equal to still 2. Why not? Because if there is other if there is other curly bracket in this side, it is gonna count as 1 element, and the other elements are count as 1 each. So this is gonna be number of R is equal to 2. So we are gonna go to over here. Let R B is equal to, this is not your assignment, but this is another example for this situation like this. You have to be patient and you have to be really know about these situations, cause if you have an exam about this, you can lose the exam cause you don't know about this. But in this video I am going to show you about this, so be patient and see this video until it ends. This is lesson 3 and we are going to revise lesson 2 and we are going to learn lesson 3. So B is equal to curly bracket, again curly bracket 5 curly bracket close, the 5 curly bracket, this is going to count as 1. And this is gonna count as 2 because there is other curly bracket over here. This is the main curly bracket. We can make it big to remember it, but these two are gonna count as 1. This is gonna count as 1. This is gonna count as 1. Both of them adding 2. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. I write 1, 2 because this is the first element and this is the second element. That is what I need. So number of B is equal to 2. So this is how it is. So we are going to just leave this one. You can practice it at home. If you have any questions, just you can write me below in the comments. So you can just have your questions. So lesson 3 is about finite, infinite and emptysets. So as you see over here, I already write the node for finite, infinite, empty, and the example for empty, not for infinite and infinite. And there is 3 questions assignment for your lesson 3. Sorry. So finite is a kind of set that with limited number. For example, I'm going to write the example over here with you. B is equal to curly bracket, this curly bracket 2, 9, 11. So on this one, finite means with a limited number. With a limited number, always you know the elements of or the members of the set. 2, 9, 11. What are the set of B? 2, 9, 11. So in finite, in this situation, you can list all the numbers given in the set. So we are going to erase this one. I don't have any duster today. So infinite. Infinite is with a limited number. So we are back. Sorry for the cutting. So where were we on infinite? I think we were in infinite. So infinite is a kind of set with unlimited number. Unlimited number. So if any kind of set has a limited number, it is infinite. For example, after this lesson we are gonna see about partial listing method, builder, base, and many kind of methods, but we are gonna say about this on this one. So 5, 6, 7. So infinite with unlimited number. Infinite is with a limited number. So 5, 6, 7. ... So over here we talk about the example, and then we are gonna go to empty set, our last point. Empty set is a set with no element. For example, there are two kind of two ways that you can just write the empty set symbol. The first one is this one, and the second one is this one. So as you see, the first one is A. If this we named, this is a mark we talk about, and if this is like this, it is just going to be empty set with no element in it. If you have a two curly bracket with no element, or this one, both of them are named empty set. So as I show you over here, these two are the examples for empty sets. Two curly bracket and 1 0 with a slash. Your assignment is gonna be what is finite set and two examples. What is finite set? We talk about the examples and write two examples. What is infinite set and the two example? We talk about infinite set and two example. Now you cannot write my examples, you have to write your own examples. What is empty set and the symbol for empty set? There are two symbols we talk about empty set. You just have to write the symbol also on your assignment. So we are gonna finish this video by just talking about your assignment, and on the next video I'm gonna show you about lesson 4, and we are gonna revise about lesson 3, and we are gonna talk about our assignment. So please don't forget to hit the subscribe button on MT Production, so you can just see all of the videos upcoming. When you subscribe, it will just have a notification bell. You have to turn it on, and you can see all the examples, lessons I do by myself. So if you have any questions or any improvements on my anything or any items improvement, you can tell me. I am able to improve. So thank you for watching. Goodbye.